fit and healthy like you, sabi ni Alex.
Paano ba? Siguro, importante lang that we live a healthy lifestyle. Eat right, sleep right, and keep our conscience clear because it'll make us look old, feel old, die young. So, as long as you don't step on anyone, you don't take advantage of anyone, then you're okay. And as long as your heart is in the right place, you'll always be okay.
At ito naman, mula naman sa ating Facebook account, tinatanong ni Honey Jane, ano daw ang ma-advise mo kay Inigo regarding his finances?
He knows it too well that ever since he started working, hindi ko na siya sinusustento or I don't give him anything anymore, and he's very practical and he's a good kid. Even before I left, sabi ko, do you need money para while I'm away? Sabi na, hindi siya humingi sa akin ng pera. So it only goes to show that he values hard work as well. And since he started working, alam niya how to save and how to invest sa mga bagay na kailangan para sa future. So you walk the talk, you show how it's done, and then now I just see how he's been able to handle his money well.
Ito naman last question mula kay Alain sa Facebook. Alain Makapagal, ngayon na malaki na si Inigo at kumikita na siya on his own, nag-shift na ba ang priorities mo?
In a sense, yes. Now I'm able to take care of myself even better because I want to be able to enjoy my life more. So I've become more health conscious. I've become more. I sleep more. So, but I guess the most important thing there is that I'm always present in his life. So whatever happens, whatever he needs, I'll always be there for him.
Thank you so much. At syempre, tayo pa rin patuloy na napapanood sa chat.abs-cbn.com. Thank you, DJ Billy. Thank you, Baba
so much. Thank you, this DJ Jaiho from the Pamilya Chat and MOR 101.9 for life. Okay, at this point, I think it is time for us to stand up. And of course, kanina po nakita ninyo ang aming personalized video where, our clients will get to have coffee in a sense with Piolo. And this is why we also serve coffee for everyone. I hope you enjoyed that coffee. And if you would like a video yourself, then go sign up for a Sun Life policy. At this point, may we invite back on stage Sun Life Chief Marketing Officer, Ms. Maylene Lopa. And of course, escorted by Sun Life Grepa Financial Marketing Head, Mr. Jerry Tirona. We bring back on